Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to delete your status on Discord using your PC, especially focusing on the latest update. First things first, let's open Discord. You can do this by simply clicking on the Discord icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once it's up and running, you're ready to proceed. Next, look to the bottom left corner of your screen, where you'll see your profile picture. Right beside it, click on the gear icon. This is the settings menu, and it's where all the magic happens. Now, in the settings menu, locate and click on My Account. This section gives you an overview of your Discord account details, including your status. Once you're in the My Account section, scroll down a bit until you see the option for Edit User Profile. Click on it to access your profile settings. Alright, now you're almost there. In the Edit User Profile menu, look for the option labeled Clear. This is the button that will help you delete your current status. Once you click on that, your status will be removed completely. And there you have it. Within just a few seamless steps, you've successfully deleted your status on Discord. It's super straightforward, and now your profile is back to its default state. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Happy chatting on Discord.